the report yesterday, one aspect of it said that the committee is proposing limiting payment or control of oil mineral resource to onshore, only onshore, to states that offshore, all offshore resources should be left with the federal government. I don't know whether you are comfortable with that recommendation, sir.
We are dealing with a long-standing, historic challenge of creating an equitable and stable Nigeria. And all I'm saying is that what the APC committee has done is an encouraging first step. And that's why I'm calling for a multi-party committee to meet, build wider consensus, and work on the fine details of the bill that will eventually be sent to the National Assembly. So, we shouldn't take the APC committee recommendation as a finished product. No. But we should also not throw it away. They have done something commendable. It has to be reworked. Other viewpoints will come in, there will be amendments, subtractions, and additions. But let's get that done. Let's begin to work on it. That's the point I'm making. And I don't want to be specific on offshore, onshore dichotomies. All these are issues that the committee, when they meet, plus the technical people, when they meet, can work out these things. But they have taken a good first step, which, if honestly followed, with sincerity and will and commitment, can deliver a just, equitable and stable Nigeria.